Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
This home has the perfect setting. It's cozy, it's got trees all around. When you pull down to the driveway, it just feels like home. We gave it a facelift. It got a whole new exterior, and I'm going to take you around back to show you the most beautiful part. So the goal of this renovation was to give them a fabulous new deck space, some covered area, but also to add an office so that when they come to the lake, they have a place to get some work done. We incorporated that into the whole back addition of this home. Being that these folks had an existing sidewalk, we wanted to think through the stairs and their termination so that we could tie in with them. These steps are gorgeous. They've got lights in them that are solar so that in the evening you got a lighted step. And then at the bottom we just poured a curved concrete curb to tie into the existing sidewalk. This deck space gives them the perfect combination of an open deck to grill and get some sun, or they've got this gorgeous covered space. It's got wood ceilings, a wood king truss. You've got the perfect area to dine out in the fall, to sit out and watch the sunrise with your coffee. This covered porch is perfection. When you're dealing with wood finishes, details matter. In this case, there's a lot of wood in the tongue and groove ceilings and in the king truss. We went through a lot of stain samples to make sure that we arrived at the perfect color that was going to make these customers love this porch. Part of making this home really pop was this gorgeous James Hardie blue siding. It is so pretty when you pull up and see the combination of the blue with the white trim and the wood. We also added new doors and windows, including this large picture window in the dining area. So when they're eating their meals, they've got this entire view to take in.